Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. It is 4:15 a.m. I succeeded and woke up by 3:10, which is success because my alarm was 3 o'clock. I am on my way to my first ever diamond painting retreat. So I am going to show you real quick my luggage. Let's see if I can turn this camera around. Oh, I'll just put a picture in because I'm too tired to figure this out. So I hope you hang in. This is going to be an experience on my way to San Antonio, Texas. See you soon. Oh, and I need to flip-flop the phone. Comment down below if you're upset. I'll make sure it's horizontal next time. It's 4 a.m. Okay. I'm in the car. I'm on my way to the airport. You can't see me. It's like a crafting version of Blair Witch Project. Are there crochet needles? Diamonds? Glue? Help! No, I'm just kidding. See you in the light of day. We are nearing the airport. On the other side of this light is a big plane about ready to take me to San Antonio. I'm masked up. I'm ready to go. I'm heading in. See you in a few. Just like someone searching for shelter in the woods, I am searching for coffee. It is now 7:20 a.m. and I have been up over 4 hours. No caffeine. No caffeine on the flight due to the virus. See these things back here? They are all cleaned out. They are not even closed, but all the cups, food, everything is cleaned out. So my search for coffee here in the Detroit airport continues on. I doubt after 2 terminals I will find it. Hopefully San Antonio, Texas has some coffee. We will see. So in case anybody was worried, I did make it to the retreat center. Don't worry, I survived the no coffee, stopped immediately at a Dollar General, and drank up a full cherry Coke. I am okay. No SOS here. Having so much fun at the retreat. Here are all my friends. Can you see them? They're real people. They're not just on the TV anymore. You've got to check this out next year. Be looking for the next diamond painting crafting retreat. Love you all. Bye. Hey everyone, so we are heading in. We're going to see the crafters in action. Shh, they scare easily, but they're amazing people and they're all in 3D. You guys have to see this and you have to participate next time. We have a crafting diamond painting retreat. Let's go see them in action. Okay. So this is our areas. As you can see, there's Amanda, there's Melissa. We have a little Hamilton show coming up in a couple hours. There's our amazing Tammy. Look at this cat that's being done. Let's go over here. Distracted by diamonds. What's amazing about this retreat is we're seeing all these. There's Diamond Art Club there. We got a custom over here. It's a sunflower with, what's it got on its
Cowboy
head?
hat.
Cowboy hat! Woo! Tammy's working on this beautiful journal. And we have to have this be a crafting retreat, so we've got sewing going on. Hey, Marissa. Over here, we got some getting ready for some cross stitching, some floss kit ups. Hi, there's Liz. It's our beloved Doris. She's making sure that we're properly fed. Doris is amazing. Ooh, let's look at look at those colors. You're living the 310 life.
Yes.
But it's gonna be so worth it. Making them bling. Dawn Marie, she's been a trooper this week. Look at this cup of coffee. I plan on filling it in a few hours. We got this quilting table that we're gonna be using, cutting fabric. Over here, is where Kara Care Bear, Sharon, and Brandy are sitting with Tina. They left Tina because Brandy is pulling Kara back their way for this miniature housing. This little puppy from Art Dot. I love seeing all these different companies represented. We have so many great companies to choose from. There's where Sharon's hiding. She's shopping. Sharon's shopping. All right. This is where Brandy has stolen Kara. They're attempting to be experts in the miniature housing field.
This one has Jennifer's name on it.
There's Crashly. I'm going to be working on that later this evening. This is where Crashly's sitting. This is Billy. Billy is the man. And we've got Rebecca back there, crochet expert of the week. Woohoo! And then this is where I'm sitting, although I do wander around. No. So we have quite a good setup here. We're so excited. We can't wait to see what's going to happen next. Oh, look at all these snacks that none of our kids are stealing from us.
I'm going to have to leave this one up here. I think Billy's fudge went bad yesterday.
Woohoo! All right, guys. Well, I am off to go diamond paint some more and have fun with my friends. So until next time, bye-bye.